All right, let's talk about the abstract factory pattern. The first thing you need to understand here is that a factory method, as the name implies, is a method, whereas an abstract factory is an abstraction. It's an interface for creating families of related objects. So this is how it's going to work. In our project, we're going to introduce a new interface called widget factory with methods like create button and create text box. Each method here is a factory method, whereas the widget factory itself is an abstraction. It's an interface, okay? Now that we have this interface, we can create concrete implementations of it like material factory and ant factory. Material factory only knows how to create material design widgets, whereas ant factory only knows how to create ant widgets. So this is what we call the abstract factory pattern. Now here's the classic structure of this pattern. We have an abstract factory with methods for creating different kinds of products. All these products are in the same family. Once we have this interface, we can create various implementations of it like concrete factory 1 and concrete factory 2. So this is the abstract factory pattern. Next, we're going to implement it in code.